here we have now two more questions of NCERT chapter 2. A capacitor 12 picofarad is connected to 50 volt battery. How much electrostatic energy is stored in the capacitor? So very simple formula based question this is. What is the energy formula of a capacitor? That is half of CV square. C value is given, pico means 10 raised to power minus 12, and V value is also given. We have to simply apply and get the answer for energy. Now next question is about loss of energy. So this question is important again. A 600 picofarad capacitor is charged by 200 volt supply. Okay, I think we should write the data one by one to understand. First capacitor is 600 picofarad and charged by this voltage. So this is the first V1 voltage formula, 200 volt. It is then disconnected from the supply. That means now it is charged. And it is connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. Okay, that means C2 is another capacitor and the value is same 600 picofarad. And one more information that it is uncharged. If a capacitor is uncharged, that means it was not connected to any battery. So V2 value is 0. This I am writing because of this information uncharged. Now in the question it is written that a charged capacitor is connected with an uncharged capacitor. How much electrostatic energy is lost in this process? So if you remember, we have done one last derivation of capacitor chapter and the heading was loss of energy when two capacitors are connected together, and we proved there that yes, the loss takes place whenever two capacitors are connected with a wire. So loss of energy formula you have to learn. So C1 C2 V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 C1 plus C2. So very simple. Now we have to apply all the values. These four datas which we have listed down here, that we have to apply. So C1 C2. Okay, we can write pico as pico only instead of writing the 10 raised to power minus 12 everywhere, and maybe that some picos are getting cancelled, and if we are left with any one pico, at last we can put its value. So C1 600, C2 is also 600 pico, V1 minus V2, so 200 minus 0, 200 square upon 2 C1 plus C2, 1200 pico. Now you can see 600 pico and 1200 pico, only 2 will be left, and 2 into 2 will get cancelled with this term. So finally we will be getting answer 6 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule. So some questions of this chapter are related to energy formulas. So this was energy of capacitor and this was loss of energy of capacitors. So here NCERT questions are over. We will be practicing some test papers now. So revise all these questions carefully and understand the procedures of handling the different cases.